Compatible with Dodge Charger 3.6L 2011 to 2021, Challenger 3.6L 2011 to 2021, Charger 5.7L 2011 to 2021, Challenger 5.7L 2011 to 2021, Challenger 6.4L 2011 to 2021, Charger 6.4L 2012 to 2021, Challenger 6.2L 2015 to 2018. Cont. 305.7L 2011 to 2021, 306.4L 2012 to 2014. Replaces Chrysler 04861746AA, 04861746, AB, 4,861,746 AH, 4,861,746 AB, 68,172,459 AH, 68,256,672 AH, FRAM California, 11052, California 11257, PUROLATOR A36167, Wix 49746. Improve performance by changing your vehicle's air filter at least every 12,000 miles, or as recommended in your car owner's manual, to ensure your vehicle's engine has the clean and efficient airflow it needs for fast acceleration and power. Avoid increased engine wear caused by dirty air intake filters that may allow damaging particles to get into the engine. Changing your engine air filter is a small task that can have a big impact on engine performance and longevity. For optimal engine health, it's recommended that the engine air filter be replaced every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Most engine air filters are very easy to change, requiring few or no tools and only a few minutes of your time. Top reviews from the United States. Never disappointed in ECOGARD. I have never been disappointed in ECOGARD products. I have purchased their air filters and cabin filters a few times now and always am satisfied with the fit and product quality. I would recommend them to anyone, especially for their great prices.